Greetings! In this global storm outlook we're going to be looking at some South American thunderstorms, a few in South Africa. We've got ex-cyclone Pabuk, cyclone Penny, and oh yes, the most important thing I'm going to focus on is heavy snow in Europe. So let's get started. This is the view from the Himawari 8 satellite, and if you remember in the last update I was talking about Peggy and Pabuk, and ex-tropical cyclone Peggy is down here. It's currently making landfall in Queensland, and then Pabuk, ex-tropical cyclone Pabuk, has formed this massive load of cloud and is bringing heavy rain into Myanmar with potential flooding and mudslides in the area. Moving over to the goes east view, and we've got South America down in the south, and there are a whole bunch of thunderstorms in this region, and that is North Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and southern Brazil. One of my favorite things about this RAM MB slider viewer thing is you can actually overlay the lightning density, and this actually has it overlaid, but you can just see it as blue bits. But I'm going to zoom in for a closer look at this line of thunderstorms. So this is it, a zoomed in view, and how amazing is this? Great view from the GOES East satellite, and you can see the lightning densities are these flashes of blues and whites, and then the thunderstorms are shown as the cloudy areas. While Argentina is the big daddy for severe thunderstorms in the southern hemisphere, South Africa has been having a lot of thunderstorms, particularly in the east, and this is a loop that shows some of those storms blowing up over Lesotho, which is this country in here, and then this is Swaziland, and then this is all South Africa. Moving north to Europe, and there was this low pressure over the last several days that came surging down across Europe and brought a surge of cold air, and this dropped a lot of snow over the Alps, and actually a number of people have been killed in the Alps, and the situation is very dangerous. And so I think at this point I'm going to start looking at the forecast to see what is happening over the week ahead for the Alps. Okay, this is the GFS forecast for Europe, and you can actually already see that there is another system, another blast from the north coming down and bringing snow, which is the blue colors are snow and then the green is rain. And I'm just going to put a box over the whole Alps region like that. Well, it's a bit more than the Alps region, and then move forward, because I've just had a look and this continues for some time. We're now into Thursday, and then it is a brief period of clearing, and then there's more snow that's in the forecast. So in this loop I'm going to show the global forecasting system model snow accumulation, and bear in mind that there has just been a ton of snow over the Alps. So watch what happens as I move forward in the forecast. The Alps picks up more and more snow, and even just by Thursday there's already grey colors here, and the scale up the side shows the snow depth in centimeters. So that's already approaching a meter of snow. The snow actually, the cold blast pushes way down into the Balkans, and you can see snow in the mountains of Greece. There's also a lot of snow that occurs in Turkey during this period. So I'll just move forward, you'll see it pick up. So let's wrap this up by looking at our 10-day global forecasting system model forecast, which is shown here. This is the rainfall, precipitation. It's not all rain, some of it is snow. A lot of it is snow in the north, and we are in the middle of the northern hemisphere winter. So we've got a few little disturbances, tropical disturbances. They don't look like they're intensifying to major strength, not typhoons or anything, but maybe some tropical storms mixed in here. And can't see much around Australia. Looks like there's the remnants of Penny moving through, bringing a little bit of rain towards the Gulf of Carpentaria. We've got in South America, you'll see the storms are pulsing away in North Argentina. So probably a number of severe events there, as is the way. We've got our snow business just talked about in Europe, and with apologies to North America, I have not talked about it. It looks like they've got some systems moving in. Right, so I'm going to wrap it up there and talk to you later.